the world's simplest one-minute guide to fashion newbies. For anyone passionate about diving into the world of fashion as a hobby or interest, there are 5 key points to keep in mind. 1. First and foremost, understanding your own body type and what styles flatter it is the most important. 2. Don't underestimate the power of accessories. They can instantly upgrade a simple outfit into something special. 3. The second-hand market is not only cheap, but also a treasure store of unique pieces that can make your style stand out. 4. Following fashion blogs or influencers, using fashion apps, and subscribing to fashion magazines can provide daily inspiration and keep you updated on what's current. 5. Last but not least, the joy of fashion also comes from experimentation. So don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new styles, patterns, or even DIY modifications. But if you do not want to embark on an adventurous fashion journey and just want to follow moderate style, you can just follow a person with good fashion sense around you, who has a similar body size and appearance as yours. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.